The holiday season is here, and millions of Americans are hitting the road, the rails, and the skies. But where is everyone really going this Christmas? We scraped over 1 million travel sites to reveal the busiest U.S. travel hotspots for the holidays, and the results might surprise you. Our data shows a mix of traditional winter wonderlands and sun-seeking escapes topping the charts. From snowy ski resorts to warm beaches, travelers are flocking to familiar favorites, but some cities are seeing an unprecedented surge in traffic this year. According to our analysis, Orlando, Florida, and New York City, New York, are expected to see the largest influx of visitors, with increases of 25% and 22% compared to last year. Meanwhile, ski resorts like Aspen, Colorado, are seeing a 19% jump, making them one of the busiest mountain destinations of the season. Here's a quick snapshot of the top 10 U.S. travel hotspots this Christmas, along with predicted travel increases compared to last year. Our data reveals some interesting trends. While sunny destinations like Honolulu and Miami continue to attract winter escapees, urban centers and theme parks are witnessing record holiday crowds. Airports in major hubs are bracing for congestion, with TSA predicting an increase of 18% in passenger volume this Christmas compared to 2024. Travelers are advised to plan ahead. Flight bookings are surging, hotel availability is shrinking, and parking at major attractions is filling fast. If you're heading to New York City to catch the Rockefeller Christmas tree or Orlando for Disney Magic, consider early reservations and flexible itineraries. Data also shows regional travel spikes. Residents in neighboring states are contributing significantly to city crowding. For example, visitors from New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Connecticut are predicted to make up 30% of NYC's holiday footfall. And for those chasing the perfect snow or sand, our insights reveal a perfect mix of traditional and trending destinations. Planning your trip based on real-time travel data ensures a smoother, more enjoyable holiday experience. So, whether you're heading to the bustling streets of New York, the sunny beaches of Hawaii, or the powdery slopes of Aspen, remember, data doesn't lie. The holidays are busy, and now, thanks to insights from over 1 million travel sources, you know where everyone will be.